In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Smartsheet. We'll walk through it slowly so you can follow along and build a clean, professional survey from start to finish. First, open your Smartsheet workspace. At the top, find the Forms menu, click Forms, and then select Create Form. This is where your survey begins. Give your form a clear, descriptive title so people immediately understand what the survey is about. If it helps, add a short description underneath to explain the purpose, who should respond, or how long it will take. A good title and description set expectations and can boost completion rates. Next, start adding your questions. Click New Field to add your first field. Think of the field name as the question your respondents will see. You might use something like, "How did you hear about us?" or "How satisfied are you with your experience?" Keep your wording simple and specific so there's no room for confusion. If you plan to include multiple questions, consider the order. Begin with the easy, general items and move gradually to anything more detailed. That flow makes the survey feel lighter and more approachable. Continue clicking New Field for each additional question you want to include. You can write questions that you typically see in surveys, things like feedback prompts, satisfaction checks, or a short space for comments. Keep your survey focused and concise. Shorter surveys get higher response rates, and every question should have a clear reason to be there. As you build, remember to save your progress. Click Save at the top whenever you've made changes you want to keep. Saving frequently protects your work and lets you review it as you go. When the form looks ready, click Open Form to preview it. This is your chance to see exactly what your audience will experience. Scan for typos, check that the titles and descriptions make sense, and make sure the question order flows naturally. If something feels off, return to the editor, adjust it, and save again. A quick preview can catch small issues before they reach your respondents. Once you're satisfied with the final result, it's time to share. Use the form's share options to distribute the link to your team, customers, or audience. You can include it in an email, post it in a message, or place it on a page where your respondents will easily find it. And that's it. Your Smartsheet survey is ready to go. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.